Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.595 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $10.585 to $659. The earlier day closed $1627. The change was 0 to 197%. Reverse rate, US to Doge. Dogecoin figure for July 2024. Initially cost at $21. Excessive costs $26, while low costs $21. The arrived at the midpoint of costs $23. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's ends $24. Change for July 14.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $24. Excessive cost $24, while low costs $20. The found the middle value of cost $22. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's ends are $21. Change for August 12.5%. Dogecoin gauge for September 2024. To start with cost it's $21. Exorbitant cost $25, while low cost $21. The found the middle value of cost $23. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's ends $23. Change for September 9.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2024. To start with cost at $23. Excessive cost $29, while low cost $23. The arrived at the midpoint of costs $26. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's ends $27. Change for October 17.4%. Dogecoin conjecture for November 2024. At the outset cost at $27. Excessive costs $32, while low costs $27. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $29. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's ends $30. Change for November 11.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2024. At the outset cost at $30. Exorbitant costs are $32, while low cost $28. The found the middle value of costs $30. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's ends are $30. Change for December 0%. Dogecoin estimate for January 2025. First and foremost cost at $30. Exorbitant costs $33, while low costs $29. The found the middle value of costs $31. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's ends $31. Change for January 3.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2025. Before all else cost at $31. Excessive costs $39, while low costs are $31. The arrived at the midpoint of costs $34. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's ends are $36. Change for February 16.1%. Dogecoin conjecture for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at $36. Excessive costs are $40, while low costs are $34. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are $37. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's ends are $37. Change for spring 8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2025. In the first place cost at $37. Exorbitant costs are $41, while low costs are $35. The found the middle value of costs $38. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's ends are $38. Change for April 7%. Dogecoin gauge for May 2025. To start with cost at $38. Exorbitant costs earn $42, while low costs are $36. The found the middle value of costs $39. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's ends are $39. Change for May 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else cost at $39. Excessive costs are $42, while low costs are $36. The arrived at the midpoint of costs $39. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's ends in $39. Change for June 0%. Dogecoin figure for July 2025. Before all else cost at $39. Exorbitant cost $143, while low costs are $37. The found the middle value of cost $140. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's ends are $40. Change for July 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place cost at $40. Exorbitant costs $49, while low costs earn $40. The found the middle value of costs in $44. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's ends in $46. Change for August 15%. Dogecoin figure for September 2025. Initially cost at $46. Excessive costs in $46, while low costs are $36. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are $42. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's ends are $39. Change for September 2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2025. Before all else cost at $39. Excessive costs $39, while low costs $31. The arrived at the midpoint of costs of $36. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's ends or $33. Change for October 15.4%. Dogecoin gauge for November 2025. In the first place cost at $33. Exorbitant cost at $41, while low costs at $33. The found the middle value of costs at $36. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's ends $38. Change for November 15.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2025. Before all else cost at $38. Excessive costs $41, while low costs at $35. The arrived at the midpoint of costs $38. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's ends at $38. Change for December 0%. Dogecoin gauge for January 2026. In the first place cost at $38. Exorbitant costs $38, while low costs are $32. The found the middle value of costs of $36. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's ends on $34. Change for January 10.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place cost at $34. Exorbitant costs are $37, while low costs $33. The arrived at the midpoint of costs $35. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's ends and $35. Change for February 2.9%. Dogecoin figure for Walk 2026. Initially cost at $35. Excessive costs $35, while low costs $27. The arrived at the midpoint of costs $32. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's ends $29. Change for spring 17.1%. Us to Doge expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at 5,000 coins. Exorbitant cost $7,692, while low 4,5045. The found the middle value of cost 5,780. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 5,882. Change for April 17.6%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 5,882 coins. Excessive cost 10,000, while low 5,263. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6,675. The US to Doge figured toward the month's end 5,556. Change for May 5.5%. Us to Doge expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at 5,556 coins. Excessive cost 5,556, while low 4,545. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,105. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 4,762. Change for June 14.3%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for July 2024. In the first place cost at 4,762 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,762, while low 3,846.